really want to hold the phone anymore, but I guess we're going to hold it. Like I said, it's been a wild couple days, but I've got the guys here that can help me, and not all the help at the shop. So we're doing tranny, driveline. We pulled both rear ends last night. Gonna check the rear ends over. While it's in here, I might as well do it all. Ran up to Peterbilt last night at like midnight to get some parts. Yesterday I spent like 6 hours running around getting the rest of the parts rounded up. So it's been a wild couple days. I stopped in over by Austin. Great news. I took Blue in to get the motor overhauled. And he's got it done. So shout out to ATL Diesel. They provided me with God, I'm so tired. I bought the in-frame kit from ATL Diesel and for the white truck, and the white truck runs awesome. Head, spacer plate, everything, the whole in-frame kit. So I decided to order the in-frame kit for the blue truck, and I took it over by Austin, and he put the parts in, and he took it for a run, and it's running good. I have not drove it yet since he's got it done, because I've been over here busy trying to get this truck done. But I'm excited to get in that one and see how she runs. Other than that, I'm gonna take you guys in the shop and let you see what we got going on, because it's crazy. I haven't videoed anything in there. We've been just busy. But again, shout out to ATL Diesel. Go check them out online. I got all my in-frame parts from Lou, and I'm very happy with him and the parts. So let's take a ride inside and see what we got going on in there. Dirty stacks. Oh well. One truck one, I guess. Yeah. That one loaded. Just waiting on the princess to get here to load the other one. Let's strap this thing down. One down. What was?
My fucking bolt is stripped.
Oh. Who did the oil change last?
I did, but it was stripped before I did it. Here.
Would you just hand him?
Like a smaller size.
Are you washing this thing before you put it on the trailer? Or? Are you doing that tonight?
Sure.
And are we putting it on the trailer tonight?
No.
What do you mean no? When do you plan on doing this?
I have to go get the shirts.
No, we're getting those on the way down there.
Where are we going to put them? We're going to lift them up into the trailer.
Yep. Look at these dumb wheels. You know, I almost just loaded the other blue truck on.
Why?
Because you weren't here. Why the fuck did you drive this thing before you did this? I got food that's getting cold, you asshole.
Then give me it.
Okay.
Stop recording me.
What's the matter, Abby?
Give me a hammer.
A hammer.
Oh, I thought you said just push it on.
What are you going to do with a hammer?
I'm going to hammer the smallest socket on.
And then what?
I'm going to get it off.
You probably should have got a new drain plug that's not stripped out.
Well, I was going to last time, but we're going to go to the other side.
Oh.
Sorry, it's DJ.
GBATS. I think there's room yet for one more thing. But first, oh, I'm gonna get my pickup all dirty and I just washed it. First, we gotta haul 2 more loads. I got one loaded right there on the black truck, and I got one sitting in the yard. So, we're gonna back this pickup into the shop and get these loads delivered and hopefully roll out of here tomorrow. Oh, I don't know what time. I don't know. But we got a full wagon. Poor Conestoga that never gets used anymore. Let's see if I can't get this garage door opener to work now. You gotta be so close to it, or it doesn't want to open. Come on, girl. There we go. We better back up and make sure that my daughter did not leave anything on the floor before I back in there, pull in there. No, she's good. She just changed her oil in the pickup. Let's go get that black thing fired up and get going down the road.